So we have last few more questions to complete in this segment. So the question says the length of a line segment is 10 if one endpoint is being given and abscissa of second end is 10. Right, you have to show that the ordinate is either 3 or minus 9. So what does the question say? So the whole line segment is 10, which they have already given, and one end point, which we will consider it as A, is being given, and in the other end point they have just given you the abscissa. Abscissa is nothing but x-axis, so that has been given as 10, and we have no idea what is going to be y, and they have given you that you have to show that the ordinate is either 3 or minus 9. So when you solve for this, final answer you will be getting is going to be 3 or minus 9. So first and foremost, just draw a diagram like this. So A is being given, and in y the abscissa is being given, and this ordinate is what we have to find out. This ordinate, it is either going to be 3 or minus 9. So if you can just observe, it is nothing but distance formula. Apply distance formula, AB is equal to 10. When you solve using distance formula, you will be getting the answer as 3 or minus 9. Clear? Next question, find the point on x-axis which is equidistant from the points being given. There are 2 points which is being given. You have to find a point on x-axis. So first and foremost, when it is a point on x-axis, the point which we will be considering is going to be x comma 0, and they have said that it is going to be equidistant from these 2 given points. So whatever it is, nothing but this is going to be your x2 y2, and this is going to be x1 y1. Again, even this is going to be your x1 y1. Why? See, over here the formula is going to be x2 minus x1 the whole square. So when you're comparing this with this first distance formula, when you apply, this is what you'll be getting. Similarly, as it is equidistant, put an is equal to sign and then solve for the other one also. So compare this with now this. So when you're comparing these 2 points, another while taking into consideration the distance formula, this is what you'll be forming. So now the next step is going to be squaring on both sides. So when you square on both the sides, what is it is going to happen? First, try and solve and get into a simpler way. See over here, 0 minus of minus 5 the whole square, which is nothing but 5 whole square, which is 25. Similarly, x minus 2 the whole square, keep it in that format only. Over here, 9 square is going to be 81. So once you do that, you can square on both the side. Over here, when you just square, the square and root gets cancelled. So whatever is there inside the square root, that is what will be remaining. So then you just apply this formula, a minus b the whole square and a plus b the whole square. When you keep on solving it till the end, you will be getting a final answer wherein x is going to be equal to minus 7. So what is it they have asked you? Find the point on x-axis. Once you've got the value of x, the x-axis point is x-axis point you had considered it as x comma 0. So point minus 7 comma 0 is what you will be having a point for which this point, when you take into consideration, it is going to be equidistant for the given 2 points. Clear? Next question. Find areas of triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of a triangle. Vertices are, they have been given normal triangles vertices, which is going to be A, B and C. You have to find out the ratio of area to area of the given triangle. So what does that mean? First, only ABC triangle would have been given. Further, what does the question tell? You have to form another triangle joining the midpoints of the given triangle. So joining the midpoints, I get another triangle which I will be considering it as P, Q and R. So now what is the given question what is the required part? It is nothing but you have to find the ratio of area to the area. What does it mean? First, find out the area of ABC triangle. Once you get the triangle ABC, area of ABC, you should also find out area of triangle PQR. So then you have to find out the ratio, which is nothing but area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR. So when you just get a number, you write it in ratio format. That is going to be your required part. So first and foremost, to find out the area between this triangle ABC is very simple. Just apply the formula. x1, y1, x2, y2 and everything, you will be getting the answer as 4 square units. Just you have to substitute the values. So once you have got this area of triangle ABC, our question doesn't stop over there. So we should go ahead and find out area of PQR also. But if you can observe ABC, already points we had. But for PQR, I don't have any points. How do I even get area? How do I even find out area? So basically, it is nothing but it is formed by joining the midpoints of the sides. So this is nothing but midpoint. So I can use my midpoint formula and find out value of P, Q as well as R. The formula is nothing but x1 plus x2 divided by 2, which is nothing but 0 plus 2 divided by 2. Similarly, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So 2 by 2, it is going to be 1 comma 0. Similarly, if you just solve for all the three, you will be getting 3 different points. So once you get the 3 different points, again use the same formula and solve for it. Once you solve for it, you will be getting another value which is going to be some square units. Then it is nothing but taking ratio. So now you just have to see PQ are going to be the midpoints of AB, AC and BC respectively. Applying midpoint formula, you will be getting P, Q and R points. That is P point, Q point and R point is what you will be getting respectively. Once you get this, you have to find out area using the same formula which we used earlier. So now applying the same area formula, you just have to elaborate it and write the formula again. We will be getting 1 square unit. So finally, what is that they have asked you? You have to find out the ratio. So the ratio is nothing but area of triangle PQR divided by area of triangle ABC. So it is always nothing but smaller triangle upon the whole complete triangle. That is, in this triangle ABC which we had considered, this is going to be in the denominator and the other triangle which we had considered comes in the numerator. So it is going to be 1 upon 4 and the ratio is going to be 1:4. Clear? So this was something related to chapter coordinate geometry. We have seen exhaustively all segment question and answers relating to it and as well as the theory. So I hope this video will be helpful for you and all the best.